Lesson number 5, Scrolling Text using keyframe in CapCut. What is keyframe? Keyframes are markers that indicate the start and end points of a particular effect or animation on a timeline. They define where a change occurs in an element's properties. Why we use text, conveying information titles, introduce the video or different sections within it, providing a clear structure, labels, identify people, places, or objects within the video, offering immediate context to the viewer, enhancing storytelling, subtitles, captions, provide dialogue or narration text to make the video accessible to a wider audience, including those who are deaf or hard of hearing. This is the interface of CapCut. Steps 1. Import videos and drag into timeline. 2. Split the video. When you split a video clip, you are cutting it at a chosen point, creating 2 separate clips. 3. Use text and give background color. 4. Gradually left the text with the help mouse after set keyframes. Mellow Learners, welcome to our first lesson on CapCut. Today, I am going to learn how to start a new project, import media, and do some basic editing. 1. First of all, open CapCut and import your videos. Drag the videos into timeline. Go to top of the menu and select Text Tool from the menu and drag it down, and go to right side Properties and do some changes. Give background color and give adjust it left and write some text and expand it long and decrease the scaling. Font size and write some text also for long scrolling text. Go to Write Text Properties and set the keyframes from the start of the video and enable keyframes, and go to end of the video and set also keyframes. Then smoothly do left the scrolling text for animation and then start the video. Great job, Mellow Learners! You've just created your first video in CapCut. Once you're happy with your video, it's time to save and export it.